My name is Khan, and today I will be walking you through a data-driven exploration of a relationship between education and food supply across countries. This analysis was conducted as part of my coursework for big data. Over the next 5 minutes, I will represent my research questions, the dataset used, and the technical pipeline involving HDFS, Spark, and Zipline, and finally the insights we uncovered and how nutrition may impact educational success. In this project, I choose big data technologies such as HDFS, Spark, and Zipline because of the increasing size and variety and velocity of data in the real world application, particularly in a field like education and global development. The college data and global hunger index datasets, although moderate in size for this product, of this project represents multi-dimensional data that benefits from the distributed processing of for scalability and speed and efficiency. HDFS was used to store datasets providing fault tolerance, high throughput access to data, and Apache Spark was chosen as the process engine for its in-memory computing ability, which is significantly faster than traditional map reduce, especially for iterative tasks like aggregation, filtering, and analytics. PySpark allowed me to leverage Python simplicity while harnessing Spark's distributive processing power. Apache Zipline served as the interactive notebook for running and visualizing the data pipeline and results, integrating smoothly with Spark. In this project, the goal is to examine how food supply, specifically in terms of nutrition and caloric intake, may influence educational outcomes such as enrollment rate, literacy, and completion level. Dataset overview of both datasets, college data.csv and global hunger index GHIE.csv, were uploaded and stored in Hadoop HDFS under the path slash datasets college data datasets college data.csv and respectively slash datasets slash global hunger index.csv. I choose HDFS for its ability to split large files into blocks and store them across multiple nodes, providing reliability throughout data replication. It's a cost-effective, scalable, and fault-tolerant system for perfect for large structured dataset like mine. I conducted analysis such as on college data grouping by countries to calculate average CGPA, maximum placement rate, and more, filtering colleges with CGPA greater than 3.5, summarizing total student and average CGPA per country. On hunger data, calculating average global hunger index for years 2000 and 2022, identifying countries with the GHI less than 20, determining the best and worst performing countries based on GHI in 2022. These queries were executed using both SQL syntax and PySpark function like group by function and order by function and etc. Research question: the key question guiding our research is how does the food supply impact educational achievement across countries. Both education and food security are key indicator of development. By identifying correlation, this research could inform policies in health, education, and economic planning. Insight from college data: countries with a higher average CGPA often had better placement, significant variance, and annual family income across countries. Summarized student number and academic performance by country. From the hunger data, clear improvement in its GHI score from 2000 to 2022 in many countries. Identified countries with the GHI less than 20. Significantly ongoing challenges, highlights a global process in tracking hunger. This insight underscore potential for big data and analytics to drive meaningful improvements in education and public policy. Visualization: to visualize the result, I use Zipline for bar charts comparing GHI value from 2000 and 2022, pie chart and histogram for placement rates and CGPA distribution, line chart showing trends over time. After cleaning the process, I join the educational food dataset on country and create a unified dataset. This allowed me to perform meaningful correlation of analysis and visualization. Countries with higher food and supply had better primary enrollment rates. Tertiary education enrollment correlated with access to animal products. Youth literacy and among families with higher in countries with greater availability of vegetable. So in conclusion, this study reveals a strong association between nutrition and educational success. The findings suggest that the diverse educate nutrition positively impact enrollment, literacy, and completion rates.